Redcat, JJ Customs LLC, Highway 1 RC, Off One Crawlers.
Alright you guys, welcome back here at JJ Customs for the unboxing of the Redcat Gen8. I mean, Jay, tell them what you think just by taking it out of the box.
It's a good looking rig for sure. It's a real licensed international Scout 2 body, which we appreciate because it's scaled out of the box by looks. Also feels great. Other Redcat felt okay, but this one has a different frame rail, which I noticed by picking it up right away. I noticed the first Gen 7 kind of binded in the suspension department. This right away, I could honestly say I think this thing's gonna do great on the trail.
And that's just his feelings right out the box. Pulling it out the box just because a lot of people want to know what's in the box. This is bubble wrap. If anybody likes this stuff, give us an email, we'll send it to you. Also came in the box as a spare tire for a fifth wheel. And I think this is one of the coolest things that they brought from the Gen 7 to the Gen 8 was these tires. This tire has been talked about through tire tests. Most people that still run Gen 7s, I still see them on these tires. You can see right, that's the Coyotes right there. That's a full built one, still on them. That's the original, that's our very first Gen 7. We still have that till this day in the crew.
But without the tire on the rig, you're gonna get more capability on the trail. So just keep that in mind.
He's talking about up top.
That's gonna roll over on you, scratch your body all day.
Owner's manual and post, body post. Your controller, Redcat controller. The body posts are cool because this one was Velcro, the very first version of the scale look with no post, but we had to put them on here because the Velcro would always do this clamshell thing when we would drive. You know, we don't like to, it's not we're here to abuse trucks, but we want to show you guys how durable these vehicles are. We're going after the first person buyer, the person that's coming into this hobby to watch our show to see like, this is what you do when you put a battery in it and hit the trail. And that's what we're gonna do with this vehicle. We're not gonna do nothing but put a battery in it and try to tear it up. You know, with that said, the body post thing, you can see the body posts are missing. Shout out to Josh from ESP. You know, he's always been pushing that movement. And as you can see, look, RTRs are coming out. No body posts. I mean,
this may be the first.
No, this one was the first. Remember?
Okay.
I put these in here.
Well, with Redcat,
yeah.
Say Redcat may be the first and no body posts. So, shout out.
Shout out to Redcat for that. One thing though, Redcat is like the bootleg of RC. I mean, you got it right here with the monster trucks. And what's that truck behind you, Jay?
This is a Rampage MT, so this would be close to a Traxxas E-Max. So, like you said, kind of bootleg, like they seen a great existing product and they just went with their theme for their product. So,
but that's what gets you, Redcat gets you in the game for cheaper. There's nothing wrong with that. And it's great. This was $200. Jay, how many did we give out this year?
Double ones, 11. 11 of these rigs have got given out by the Highway 1 RC Off One Crawler crew.
And I'm gonna tell you this, hold up. I just got back from Kauai, right? I met a guy named Howie. Howie, bro.
Shout out Howie.
We're setting another one, a Gen 7. And one favorite things I like about the Gen 7 is this is a true RTR out the box. Charger battery. That is a really, you can't beat that. That's a real RTR.
This one does not come with a charger battery. Just put that out there.
Redcat, I really wish you would have did that because that was the thing no one else was doing. You guys were setting a trend. That was cool. I thought it was going to come with that situation. But I see you're trying to step it up to the extra echelon of what everyone else is doing. But Howie, hey,
and they
my
did.
brother.
They did. Shout out Redcat. You did a great job with this. This is going to make a lot of people smile, get a lot of people on the trail. It comes with all aluminum links already. Let's see what else we got in here. Frontward mounted motor, divorce trans case. We got 32 rubber seal bearings throughout the rig. And I can't wait to put this to the test. It says it can take up to 16 LED lights, or kind of, you don't get the lights, but there's places you can put the lights, meaning headlights, tail lights, and I guess we'll have to figure out the other 12 or so odd lights elsewhere later.
With the pods, like he was saying, you can see the light pods, you know.
Tail lights. These are actually tail lights instead of just stickers. Usually the body will just come with red stickers. I stepped it up, you can actually take your tail lens off, screw it in there. It's a nice scale aspect to this truck.
It's nice, man. But not only are we giving away Howie's truck, we're giving out this truck right here. This truck is a custom build by the Coyote, right? Vanquish internals and the axles, man. And this truck is going to Marv. Marv, brother, this is your truck, dude.
Okay, cool.
Come show them that beautiful shirt you got on right there.
Here, come stand in the middle, man. If you come to JJ Customs, this is who you're gonna see. You're gonna see Marv, man. And you know what? We've been wanting to get this guy on the trail. So we got you this one. It's got Vanquish internals. It's a beast, man.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome, brother. You have fun with that thing.
Yeah.
'Cause that's been in the crew for a while now. Now we get your controller and everything.
All right.
Go ahead, man.
Thank you.
And that's how you grow this community. We've been growing the community with Redcat. Redcat is actually responsible for this store being open, I heard, to the grapevine. So
Yeah,
he helped out a great man by opening the doors for this shop. Because look at it. I'll show you around in a second. But
And not only that, we got one more truck to give away right now. We're giving away this one right here to someone out there.
could be you. If you got the right answer to one of these questions we're going to give to you, you want to tell them the question now?
Go ahead, Jay. Let them know.
Basically, we just want to know whoever answers this first incorrectly gets this truck. What was our first Redcat test drive with this? Just give us the title name of it.
How about this? This is even better. Go back to the very first video where this was on our show. Drop your email, and I'm gonna email you, and I'll mail that truck out to you. Oh,
So just so we sum it up, now you're going for a table time, not the test drive, correct?
you want to do test drive or table time? The very first time it was on our show, or
Let's do that rainy day test drive.
okay? The rainy day test drive. The first email on there. That's yours.
It's yours.
Not this one. That one. And that truck's a special one. That's from Vince. Vince has been trail trusting that truck with us since the very first day he bought his
Day
Gen8.
one, our first subscriber owns this truck.
He's been getting busted up with us. He came out with us and knocked a wheel off this thing. Now this thing is bulletproof. And it's got a custom JJ body.
Yeah, matching wheels. It's trail ready for sure. All you gotta do is be the right person with the right answer. It's yours.
Now with that said, after giving away all these Gen 7s, we're gonna rearrange this table and bring you in closer so you can see all the new cool things about the Gen8, all right? All right, Nate, come on in here real quick. All right, now that we got it unboxed, we wanna bring it in closer. And one thing I noticed from the very gate, it looks like a bootleg version of the Bronco. More than anything, I wanna probably, yo Taco, let me know if I can get my Bronco back, man. But other than that, it's cool because it's got its own style to it as well. There's some really cool things that Redcat has done. I mean, I like this, Jay. You see that on the electronics box? The external plugins? So
Yes.
you don't have to unbox that.
Very nice trail feature.
That is cool right there.
Forward mount motor, 55 turn with a lot of torque. It's got metal links, but their biggest thing they did are the portal axles. So, as you know, following the TRX 4x Traxxas, the portal axles are the new biggest thing in the market, and the Redcat Gen8 comes with them stock.
I like the links look better. You know, on the Gen 7, we do a lot of steep hill climbs, and our biggest thing was we used to bust links more than anything. That was our biggest problem with the Gen 7, busting links. But I feel like this truck, you know what? We're gonna put it on our trail, but I feel a lot more confident with this. Plus, we know that Portals, most likely with metal gears, plants the tires down. That's what the Traxxas Sport did for me and Jay.
Definitely. Another nice thing about these links are, you know, you could either extend or shorten your wheelbase just by moving the link, not by replacing it like you usually would have to get a different wheelbase. But there's three options right here and up front that allows you to shorten or lengthen the wheelbase, which is a very nice creative design thought right there.
Now, what else is cool? C-channel frame. Coming from the cookie cutter frame, this is really cool. We got a real C-channel frame.
Yes.
Redcat really put a lot of time into this vehicle, and you can see it, man. The metal diff covers, the portals. I mean, the one thing I love, the Essence, they still have these tires, and these tires are great.
Still the scale tires.
But the amount of adjustability here on the front, I know Nick will love this, the boom racing style shock mounts on the top.
And even those are adjustable. So
9 different places.
exactly. They give you a lot of adjustability, which you always need in a trail rig, and this comes with it. You could take off your bumpers. I don't like bumpers. You always lose clearance and departure. Easy. Take them off. And,
I don't know, Jay. Jay's been on the water lately, and this has a tow hitch. You really gonna take that off?
Oh yeah, and look, it actually is a functional tow hitch. That is, and I love cats too.
Jay is a big. He owns. How many cats you got, Jay?
I got one now, but I had 3. But anyways, this thing comes out and
It's a pin, probably.
yeah, it is. It is. It's good. It's all good.
But yeah, Jay, look, you can tow your boats, bro.
You could. Great option.
Oh, look, right there. Pull it out right there from the other side.
There we go. Let's show them. We gotta show them. We got this far. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now, yeah, the one thing man, they used to come with a charger and a battery out the box, but it's cool. It's a Dean's plug, so we're ready to play.
They gave you a. I'll tell you what happened. You know, they opted for the body. They figured not every other rig comes with a battery or charger, really, but you got a scale body. So it's either buy another body and paint and try to paint it on the weekend, or just buy a battery and charger, which you most likely already have.
Here, Nate, look, the rally scheme on this is freaking beautiful. And shout out to Hemistorm. Yo, the man just busted out a paint job. It's beautiful to see him back on YouTube, you know, sharing his craft. You know, Jay, he paints for this body, so I mean paints for the Highway 1 crew, but to see Hemistorm out there, that was awesome, man. And this stock rally scheme we're enjoying that enough. That's tight. I mean, Jay, what do you think of that paint right there?
It's awesome. There's one in Half Moon Bay, California for sale right now, a real one with this body paint scheme on it. So that's a real scale paint scheme down to the core.
And that was our unboxing.
But one more thing.
Go
You also
ahead.
get real beadlock wheels, so you don't have to unglue or glue your wheels, ripping them off the wheels and tires every time. You can change them out, swap your phones as often as you like. And we're actually just going to let the truck talk for itself, because that's what we do at Highway 1.
Yeah, we did the unboxing already.
But now it's trail time.
Yo, so check it out. We're gonna hit that trail, give you just the gearing up, and then we're gonna hit the tail again. Hit the tail.
We're going to hit that trail for y'all.
We're gonna hit the trail, then we're gonna hit the table again.
Yeah.
Back home, and tell you what we got in store for the Gen 8. All right, let's get on the trail. All right, you guys. This is Vince, and he's been running Redcat since we very first started. This is his newest build, the Gen 7 custom build, and you're gonna see it's gonna be part of our gearing up video. But more than anything, he's the one who built the yellow JJ Bronco. And tell him, man, how fun it's been messing with Redcat products, bro.
Well, Redcat obviously was something that I thought from the entry level standpoint, and I basically never turned back as far as just using the parts, because they've been pretty reliable as far as got me into the crawling seat. So something, a brand that actually I kind of was never disappointed, so why change up?
There you go.
We're about to hit this trail. Get ready for our gearing up coming up soon, and he's gonna drive some of our Gen 8 time and tell you what you guys think of it. Hey, we're out of here.